So I wasn't really in a good place, and I was almost ready, and my door shut and rang because she was supposed to be bringing me in. I was there that morning. My mum had passed 2 weeks before, and I was there that morning pottering around, and I was to go in to register her death. But then this happened.
Sandra's just won a 15k home makeover, Des Kelly Interiors.
First I thought it was like, I didn't realise, I thought it was 1,500. I didn't realise it was 15,000. I nearly passed away. And this couch, the minute I walked into the store, it was in the front window, I fell in love with it. I sat in it and I fell in love with it. Before I knew anything, before I was getting anything, I sat on this couch and I said to Casey, my daughter, who put in the letter, I said to her, I want this couch. I just want this couch. I think I'd pick the table and chairs at this stage, and I need to look for that room. This and my bedroom, are my favourites, I have to say. Find very difficult are paintings I can never pick, but when they went on the walls, I was like, oh yes, absolutely, love it, love this, love it. I was just loving everything. But I haven't added anything, like it's exactly as they did it for me, and I just love it. He passed, I just didn't want to change anything. And the other even didn't want to change it, because I almost felt that it was like wiping away the memories, but obviously it doesn't, they're all in my head and dark. I'll always have them. And I'm really, really, really happy.